Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Commerce Cupid. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today we continue our series and discuss next 20 important questions of accountancy. So without any delay, let's begin. Our first question is cash flow statement is option A statement of only cash inflows, option B statement of only cash outflows, option C statement of cash inflows and outflows, option D statement of not only cash but also cash equivalent inflows and outflows. The right answer of this question is option number D statement of not only cash but also cash equivalent inflows and outflows. Next question number 2 is which of the following investment is not included in cash equivalent? Option A treasury bill, option B deposit certificate, option C commercial paper, option D none of above. The right answer of this question is option number D, which is none of the above. Next question number 3 is which of the following is not a cash flow? Option A issue of debenture, option B decrease in bill payable, option C sale of plant, option D decrease in debtor. The right answer of this question is option number B, which is decrease in bill payable. Next question number 4 is which of the following is an investing activity? Option A redemption of debenture, option B dividend paid non-financial companies, option C dividend received non-financial companies, option D proceed from issue of the share. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is dividend received non-financial companies. Next question number 5 is the statement of change in financial position show. Option A source and uses of fund, option B profit and loss, option C assets and liability only, option D sales and purchase only. The right answer of this question is option number A, which is source and uses of funds. Next question number 6 is cash equivalent means. Option A cash, option B bank, option C cash and bank, option D highly liquid investment. The right answer of this question is option number D, which is highly liquid investments. Next question number 7 is the basic purpose of fund flow statement is to indicate the following. Option A financial position, option B increase or decrease in asset, option C increase or decrease in liability, option D increase or decrease in working capital. The right answer of this question is option number D, increase or decrease in working capital. Next question number 8 is which of the following is not normally paid from working capital? Option A payment of wages, option B payment to creditors, option C redemption of debenture, option D purchase of raw material. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is redemption of debenture. Next question number 9 is which of the following is not involving working capital? Option A realization of cash from debtor, option B sale of plant and machinery of cash, option B C issue of equity shares, option D redemption of debenture. The right answer of this question is option number A, which is realization of cash from debtors. Next question number 10 is which among the following is not included in uses of funds? Option A operating losses, option B payment of dividend and taxes, option C non-trade payment, option D purchase of fixed asset against share. The right answer of this question is option number D, which is purchase of fixed asset against shares. Next question number 11 is cash collected from debtor would be deemed as option A source of fund, option B application of fund, option C increase of fund, option D no flow of fund. The right answer of this question is option number D, which is no flow of funds. Next question number 12 is Fund flow statement is study of option A, change in profitability, option B, change in investment, option C, change in working capital, option D, change in cash position. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is change in the working capital. Next, question number 13 is there will be flow of fund when option A, goods are purchased for cash, option B, machinery is sold for cash, option C, cash is collecting from debtors, option D, cash is paid to creditors. The right answer of this question is option number B, which is machinery is sold for cash. Question number 14 is the gross working capital means option A, total current asset, option B, total current asset minus total current liabilities, option C, total investment, option D, none of these. The right answer of this question is option number A, which is total current asset. Next, question number 15 is net working capital is equal to option A, excess of total asset over total liability, option B, excess of current asset over current liability, option C, aggregate current asset of the firm, option D, excess of total asset over total current liability. The right answer of this question is option number B, excess of current asset over current liability. Next, question number 16 is in case of fund flow statement, fund means option A, only the cash, option B, only capital, option C, net working capital, option D, none of the above. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is net working capital. Next, question number 17 is which reflect change in working capital. Option A, balance sheet, option B, sales, option C, fund flow statement, option D, profit. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is fund flow statement. Next, question number 18 is a pro forma invoice is sent by option A, seller to buyer, option B, consignee to consigner, option C, consigner to consignee, option D, buyer to the seller. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is consigner to the consignee. Next, question number 19 is Dell credit commission is generally calculated on option A, cash sales, option B, credit sales, option C, gross sales, option D, net sales. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is gross sales. Next, question number 20 is goods sent on consignment is debited to option A, consignment account, option B, goods sent on consignment account, option C, profit and loss account, option D, consignee account. The right answer of this question is option number A, which is consignment account. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, then please like the video, subscribe to channel, also share your score in comment section. Till then, stay happy and healthy.